Hi, I'm MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade. A warm welcome to you all to my channel and thanks for coming to my video and watching it. Today's video is all about creating a cute and cozy fall decor with sweets and treats, and I'm going to make this video as a part of a challenge hosted by Holiday Cookie Diva. Holiday Cookie Diva has a unique style of her own. She makes a lot of DIY, decor and hauls and many other topics. She makes a lovely videos. Do visit her channel. I'll put a link to her channel and also a link to the playlist that she has created for other YouTubers to participate in this channel. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button given below and ring the bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Hi, I welcome you again. In today's video, I'm going to decorate a corner of my house in fall colors in the warmth of fall with flavors and colors and golden hues. There's going to be a little decor and with added sweets and treats to the corner to make the corner look more welcoming and inviting to everybody. So let's begin. Here is a little cushion cover that I painted 2 years back, and it's perfect for this season because of its golden satin. And here is a throw that I've put, which is hand woven by people from Bihar. This corner I'm going to decorate, and here I have my grateful, thankful and truly blessed sign that I've hand painted and made 2 weeks back as a part of a challenge, Pumpkin Palooza, and I'll put a link to this video in the card above and in the description box below. This is a very special piece. This is Dokra art figurine of a couple, and this has been made by the tribals of Eastern and Central India. Next I have is Zauri. This is a special utensil from Assam, and this utensil is used when there is special ceremony or guest or dignitaries coming, and this is used to felicitate them or offer them with sweets and beetles. This is a very special piece my husband got as a gift and I love it. I'm going to use it here. On this place I have put 2 cushions. The bigger one is made up of rust golden velvet. I love the color, and the small piece, I love the tassel here. So let's begin. We all have a style of our own, and mine is going to be a little different than others. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a thumbs up, and I would love your comments. So as a part of the challenge, I have a fall decor item. It's a sign with harvest, pumpkins and corns. And now I'm going to put a tray. This is a golden glazed ceramic tray, and I love the shape of a leaf on it. I'm going to place it here. There should also be a bowl to hold the snacks. So this is again a copper bowl, and this was gifted to me either by my mother-in-law or my mother, and we use it on special occasions. I'm also going to use this glass. This glass can be used as a vase or a glass. So I'm going to use this copper glass as well. I'm going to put it in a corner. I upcycled an old votive candle into fall colors by adding this twigs from my garden, a fall leaf, and tied it with the twine. Here are the treats with some chocolates, nuts, and boiled sweet corn with some lemon, butter and little salt. The candles and the fairy lights. This corner has turned out so beautiful and pop and inviting. I love it. Thanks for watching.